The torque converter is responsible for the smooth transfer of torque from the engine to the automatic transmission. It is worth knowing that the most frequent consequences of problems with the converter are overheating, slippage, vibration, and oil contamination. The regeneration process begins when we receive a package with the torque converter. Firstly, we measure the interpart play and press the appropriate number. Then we cut the torque converter using a machine tool and clean it in a high-pressure cleaner. The next step is to regenerate all elements of the hydrokinetic torque converter. We start by welding the turbine blades. Then, we open the so-called stator, control its technical condition using an appropriate tester, replace the bearing, apply oil, and reassemble the device. We also replace all seals, worn plates, and metal spacers. After reinserting the plate with spacers, the clearance between them is measured. Eventually, we check the condition of the turbine together with the upper part of the housing. Then, everything is fitted again. If necessary, we replace the neck located in the upper part of the housing, and then we start assembling the device. Finally, we weld the converter, check the leak tightness of the weld, and perform the balancing. After the regenerated torque converter passes all our tests, we have it painted and sent to the customer by courier. We only use the machines that are recommended by manufacturers as well as parts made by the American manufacturers, Tri-Component and Sonex. Thanks to our large stock inventory of parts for torque converter types such as ZF, DPO, ASIN, Mercedes 722.6 and 722.9, the regeneration time is only 1 day.